Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we are going to be making a very simple Afrobeat. My guy Nize just sent me an amazing sample pack, a melody sample pack. So I'm just gonna be playing around with that pack, and hopefully we come up with something nice using that pack. So without wasting time, let's just go right into our DW and see what we come up with. Let's go. Like I said, Nize sent me this amazing melody pack, and that pack will be out on Waves. I'm just gonna play some of the melodies on the pack and in the pack and see what it sounds like. I like that, but let's see. I think I like this. Yeah, a kelebe. So we're gonna be working with that, and why I like the melody pack, it has both the MIDI and the construction kit. So let's just go over to the stem. Let's just put the drums. Maybe I want to go with this bounce. I want to go with a bounce like this. Yeah, just something like this. And let's just populate this first 8 bars with that groove. So I can turn off my metronome. And let's go over to the melody pack. And I don't know, the bass is not just sitting well. I might come back to that later. So let's start with the vocal and see. Yeah. But I'm just dragging the melody. So yeah, like I said, it has both the chords and everything. So okay, so this is the chord. Let's see. So let me pitch it down so I have something low. Yeah. Then we can put in the kick. And I'm gonna ask him whether I could drop this melody pack, in the Patreon. So in case you're in the Patreon, you have access to this melody pack. But whenever you use the melody pack, make sure you add Nize as a collaborator, because it's not a royalty-free pack. Right? So let's put in the kick. So for the kick, I just want something stable. Yeah. So let's see this, whether it's gonna work with our groove. Yeah, it's so nice. So yeah, we can add like drum feel. I'll go with this. Yeah, just bring it down. Let's play around with some congas. Yeah, so let's put some congas. Yeah, so that's another one. Let's put that snare. Again, put this snare. So it's near. Let's tighten it. Maybe I might shift it a little bit. Testify to that. So let's see more percussion. Then we just put this reverse. So for the bass, I will just play the bass, use the MIDI. So let's drag in the trillion. Because we want it to have that realistic feel. I might change the bass. So we just have to adjust the note. Yes, I think we can work with this. I might change those notes. So it's just build that with the kick and the, the rim shots. Maybe I'll go down, okay. I feel like these shakers I might just add just tighten it up. I just love my sounds most times to just be really tight. Alright, so I'm just gonna add in the smack attack to that. Yeah, so something like this. This just I feel like we have like a groove. Just add more percussions to make it more groovy. So let's go see the one in a park. I'm sure everybody's loving that, loving that park. So yeah. So the hat. I think the shakers, I feel like the snare is a bit high. Just gonna bring that down. I can just add R bass to it, and hopefully it just tickets it up. R bass, let's go with mono. I bring that. Yeah, I feel like the bass is more round now. Yeah, so let's see what else we can add. For me, I feel like this is already a bang. It's just for me to arrange it, and so yeah, putting my soft clipper. Yeah, our master plan. And basically we have like a vibe. We have a vibe glue presets. Yeah, so for me, I feel like this is a vibe. And I think that I might even drop this in the Patreon. So the Patreon is an amazing place. You definitely want to be there to just get access to amazing stuff. Well, yeah, man, I think this is a vibe. This is a vibe. Actually, I actually planned to do, the vocal mix breakdown of my latest single, but I think I'll do that in the next video. But before then, just use this one to hold body. Just use this one to hold body. Hope you got something from this video. If you did, smash the smash the subscribe button, smash it, and hit the like button, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Definitely, this is a vibe for me. I feel like I've started a vibe, and I'm just gonna complete it. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.